Hi, guys, and welcome to another week of online media. So, this week we are spending the week in the pumpkin patch, and I know that seems a little delayed because October's over. It's November, but we use pumpkins in November, and there are some things that I have in this board that I think really makes that move from pumpkins in October to pumpkins in November pretty well. But I just wanted to highlight a couple of things. So if you look, you see the stuff all around. There are lots of pumpkins in the background. In the background that I set with these pumpkins, you can tell the difference in the pumpkins that I put on the page for you versus the pumpkins on the background. So I'm just going to go point out all the things really quickly. And I'm not going to tell you what they are with the exception of a few, but you've got the yoga ball back here. I wonder what that could be referencing. You've got the bird on the gates. This pumpkin down here takes you somewhere because if you can look and see, it's definitely not like the pumpkins in the background. Pete the Cat will take you somewhere. And I wanted to tell you about the Pete the Cat link. So the Pete the Cat will link you to a very short, like 3 minutes clip of a Pete the Cat episode. I don't know if you're aware, but it's either Amazon Prime or Netflix. I think it's Amazon Prime. But they have a Pete the Cat television series. So if you like the Pete the Cat clip and you are interested in seeing more of it and you have Amazon Prime, you can go on Amazon Prime and look up Pete the Cat and you get all the episodes that they offer. It's not just with Pete the Cat. There are other amazing children's books that they've done this with. They've done this with If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. And I love the If You Give a Mouse a Cookie series. And the song sticks in my head. Like I'm singing it right now in my head. Okay. This big pumpkin is something and the wagon is something different. The umbrella is something. If you look here, it's kind of hidden, but these seeds are something. The jack-o'-lantern, the slingshot, the jar. Hold on, I'm moving myself. The pumpkin on the fence, and then the multiple pumpkins on the fence. And those are all the clicks for this week. I hope that you enjoy exploring and seeing what all I have linked for you to find. And I am thrilled. The feedback that I get on these boards, guys, just makes me super excited. And so that's why I keep making them for y'all. I know. Oh, there's one more thing down here at the bottom. The vine. Do you see the vine at the bottom? But anyway, that's why I keep making them for you guys, because I keep having parents tell me that, and even kids, that just being able to explore these boards and know that all the links are safe is just a relief and fun. And that's exactly what the Media Center is about. I want you to be able to explore different kinds of media safely and to explore. So we don't want to miss out on that piece that's so fun in the Media Center that is exploring. And so that's what these are. I hope you have a good time.